The Rodriguez family had a perfect vacation plan. 3 days at the beach, 0 penguins. Then Dad opened the suitcase. There is a It is a In the suitcase there is a In the suitcase there is a Elena!
That is a penguin, Carlos.
Yes!
It is a penguin, Elena.
Why is there a penguin in my suitcase?
Species, penguin. Size, small. Location, Dad's suitcase. How? Unknown. This is a mystery.
Hello, Pedro!
Hello, Pedro.
It is walking. It is just walking around the hotel room. Like it lives here.
He. I think it is a he.
He likes the view. Observation. Penguin enjoys beach scenery.
This is not the time, Leo. Nobody can know there is a penguin in our room. We will get in trouble.
First question, how did he get here? Second question, what do we do now?
Third question, does he eat fish? Because I want to give him some fish.
Rosa, do you know how the penguin got into our suitcase?
No, Mommy. Penguins are very good at hiding.
Of course he found the fridge. Get out of the fridge! You cannot live in the fridge!
Room service!
Extra towels! Hide the penguin! Hide the penguin right now! Hide the penguin right now! Come here, come. This way. No, not that way. This way. Pedro! Pedro!
Here are your extra towels. Is everything okay?
Perfect. Great. Excellent. Everything is very normal in this room.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
He escaped the bag and 11 sassed for a penguin.
Pedro is very smart. Penguins are smart.
Pedro. She called him Pedro. How does she know his name?
Penguins look like Pedros. It is a common penguin name.
Wrong floor. We are going back up. We are going back up. Wrong floor, wrong floor, wrong floor. Pedro, no! He is already gone. Pedro, yes. Pedro, yes. Pedro is in the pool. Excuse me. Is that your penguin in the swimming pool? Our penguin? We do not have a penguin. We are a very normal family.
He is literally watching Pedro's.
He cannot stay in the pool. It is a rule, a very important rule. He can, however, stay in your room. He is already staying in our room. He lives in our fridge, actually. Nobody is ever gonna believe this day.
I have notes. 8 pages of notes. People will believe it. I have a theory. Someone put Pedro in the suitcase before we left home. Only one person was near the suitcases, Rosa.
Pedro, you did not say anything.
Good penguin.
Rosa, tell us how Pedro got in the suitcase.
I want to say I found him, but that is not exactly true. 2 weeks ago, at the zoo, I saw Pedro in the penguin area. He was alone. All the other penguins were playing.
The morning we left, I went back to the zoo early. I asked Mommy if I could say goodbye.
I thought you meant look at them.
And then Pedro walked into my backpack. Maybe just for the vacation.
He was in my backpack. Then at the airport, he climbed out and opened.
I left the suitcase open for 3 minutes.
Pedro moves very fast when he sees an opportunity.
The penguin confirmed the story.
This is the best vacation in history.
It is somehow bothery.
It is somehow both of.
Rosa, you cannot take animals from the zoo. That is a rule.
I know, Papa. I should have asked first.
You are sorry. And the penguin is cute. Both things are true.
This is hard.
Rosa, when we hide things, we carry them alone. It is heavy.
Very heavy. Honestly, because I was worried about Pedro.
Telling the truth is always lighter.
One important question. Is Pedro from the zoo here? In this city?
Wait, which zoo did you... Rosa, which zoo?
The big one, near our house.
We are very far from our house right now.
Pedro is from our city zoo. We need to call the zoo and tell them he is here.
We flew here. How do we get a penguin home on a plane?
I already Googled it. There are regulations. It is Pedro, I have to tell you something. You have to go home. Back to the zoo. Your real home.
You were not sad at the zoo. You were just waiting for someone to say hello. And I said hello. But your penguin friends are at home.
Good news! The zoo says Pedro has been missing for 3 days. They thought he escaped through the fence.
He did escape through the fence into our daughter's backpack.
They are sending someone from the zoo tomorrow morning. Pedro.
One night, Pedro gets one proper vacation night. Then he goes home.
He ate 4 fish in 30. Impressive efficiency.
I told you he needed fish. Pedro always needs fish.
He is watching the ocean channel.
He is watching his home.
Do you think he misses home, Papa? I think he will be happy when he gets there.
That night, the Rodriguez family slept in a hotel room in a tropical city, and a penguin slept in the mini fridge. As you do. Pedro! Pedro, you absolute disaster of a penguin. We have been so worried.
You are the one who found Pedro?
I took him from the zoo in my backpack.
You are telling me yourself? That is very honest for 6 years old. Pedro is special. He is very social. He loves people.
More than knew it. He was always at the fencing visitors.
Exactly right. He chose well.
Goodbye, Pedro. You are a very good penguin. The best.
Goodbye, Pedro. You were a lot of trouble.
But you were good trouble. I will send my notes to the zoo. 8 pages. For science.
Pedro went home in a climate-controlled van,
With fish.
as first class as a penguin can get.
Have the actual vacation we planned.
Can we go to the beach?
We can go to the beach, and I am keeping an eye on the suitcase this time.
The Rodriguez family had their vacation. 3 days at the beach, 1 hotel, and 0 penguins this time.
Hello, Pedro. I hope you are home now. I hope you are swimming.
I wrote the lessons from this vacation. There are 12. The most important is number 1.
What is number 1? Always check the suitcase.
Twice, before and after packing.
Pedro arrived home at 2:17 in the afternoon. His penguin family was waiting.
But this was his pool. He knew every corner, every rock.
2 days later, Pedro was at the fence again, waiting.
Waiting.
He was very good at hello.
Hello. Mommy. Papa. Come here. There is a letter from the zoo. About Pedro.
What does it say?
Dear Rosa, thank you for returning Pedro safely. You truth, Pedro is home. Pedro is home. We named a special area of the penguin.
Pedro has his own corner, named after you.
He is not lonely anymore. He has a corner.
Vacation notes, complete. 43 pages. This is a very thorough document.
Leo, it was 3 days.
It was a very eventful 3 days, Papa.
Hello, Pedro. I brought you fish. The zookeeper said I could.
You know, he likes me best. He keeps coming back to me for fish.
Carlos. He comes back for the fish, not for you.
We have a connection.
You are home, Pedro. This is your home. And I will come and say hello. Every time.
Rosa learned that telling the truth is always lighter than carrying a secret, even when the secret is a penguin, especially when the secret is a penguin.
And now, the important question of the day. How did Pedro get from the zoo to the airport to the suitcase? Write your answer in the comments. We want to read every one.